Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing XPR Network. How is XPR unique? It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got a phenomenal $50 off, and you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got an astonishing $129 off, only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets. I personally prefer storing the assets in a cold hardware wallet, so do check out Decent and be safe. Anyways, guys, now let us look into the price and chart of XPR and Metal at the time of the recording, and let's see what they have been up to lately. So, guys, this is the chart of XPR testing the early support levels. I told you before as well that let's hope that the price remains above this. It hovers above this because, guys, if it comes down, then we're back in the red area, and then again, I think that there are a lot of chances that we hit the 0.000687 levels and all of that stuff. But let's hope that the price remains above this and slowly and gradually rise and goes up, because overall, guys, XPR is really undervalued at the moment, and so is Metal, guys. Metal is also testing some crucial support levels as well. Along with XPR, it is reciprocating XPR network as well. Only $7 million market cap, guys, and really undervalued as well. So this is it for the charts. Let me now show you a post over here, guys. A really interesting one. Look at this. How is XPR Network uniquely positioned to compete with other Layer 1s and the recent emergence of Layer 2s? XPR Network is a unique blockchain in that it is one of the fastest, most friendly, and easiest to use gas-free blockchains in the world. Forked from the Antelope codebase EOS, XPR has optimized resource management, improving upon early implementations. Send a fraction of a penny of USDC and pay nothing. Now micropayments are made possible, up to 4,500 transactions per second. The evolution of XPR network expands beyond Antelope as the core team at Metallicus is working on a complete rewrite to work with the Snowman protocol, Metal, Avalanche blockchains, which will reduce the time to finality from 180 seconds all the way to less than half of a second, guys. We call this innovation A-chain, and it will be possible to move assets between blockchains through Avalanche Warp messaging, bringing WASM alongside the EVM and IBC in one connected layer 0 environment. So, guys, innovation and trying to link consumer and enterprises, guys. Look at this. What is XPR Network? XPR Network is a layer 1 public blockchain and smart contract platform designed for both consumer and enterprise, guys. Consumer and enterprise both. We've seen in Xpr Network, it is much more focused on enterprise. A lot of people have commended that as well. A lot of people have criticized it that you're not focusing on consumers. As far as XPR is concerned, it is focusing on both the consumer and enterprises, built on delegated proof of stake. It is a highly resource-efficient blockchain that allows for scaling into thousands of transactions per second while providing extremely low latency, built around a decentralized identity protocol and financial settlement layer. XPR Network provides an alternative to traditional payment systems like ACH and SWIFT, or Visa and MasterCard. Guys, these are huge brands. You know about ACH network, you know about Swift, you know about Visa and MasterCard, and how much share in the market all of these uh, concerned companies have. So they are basically trying to give an alternative to these traditional payment systems through their innovative resource model. So what are the key features of XPR Network, guys? XPR Network boasts features like high throughput, low latency, and robust security, making it ideal for various applications, including DeFi, gaming, and more. They are also concerned with their decentralized finance, the DeFi sector. The network is concerned with that as well. It hasn't left it behind like a lot of enterprise projects that we know of. XPR network, 1 second block times, 4,500 TPS, zero gas fees, no front running. No front running. How scalable is XPR network? XPR network is highly scalable, allowing for a large number of transactions, 4,500 TPS, to be processed quickly with no gas fees for end users. So awesome, no gas fees. We are all basically tired of high Ethereum gas fees, guys. You know, you've been there. This is Marshall Hayner. I am very excited to announce phase one of the XPR network consensus upgrade from DPoS, delegated proof of stake, to Snowman on the Metal blockchain. This proposal will bring XPR network the title of fastest blockchain in the world, both in settlement finality and time to execution. Guys, this is arguable, to be very honest. A lot of projects, upcoming projects, and a lot of mainstream projects, old projects also have claimed to be the fastest blockchain in the world. But guys, this is indeed debatable, to be fair. All respect to Marshall. We are Metallicus, building the world's most customer-centric digital asset banking network using blockchain technology. So, guys, Metallicus is basically a digital asset banking network. Guys, let me share with you a post over here as well. Look at this. What is Metallicus in a nutshell? The digital banking network. For this, shout out to Mr. Will Cleaver. Look at this. People often ask what we do at Metallicus. Well, here's our latest boilerplate. Metallicus, the digital banking network, connects traditional finance to Web3 through blockchain technology with a focus on compliance. So this is the first focus, guys. Compliance. Regulations are coming in, and the projects that are compliant, that abide by the law, that are legal, I think that they will stand the test of time, but we have to see how it goes. Founded by early blockchain industry pioneer Marshall Hayner, Metallicus is guided by an advisory board featuring an ex-Federal Reserve leader and top banking executives, including Citi's former Chief Compliance Officer. Our interoperable suite of blockchain products empowers financial institutions to deploy private subnets, enables developers to build on a comprehensive crypto stack, and allows individuals to experience seamless fiat to Web3 integrations. So, guys, this is what it is all about, guys. A better experience from fiat to Web3 and from legacy systems, the bridge to the blockchain world, the Web3 world. So look at this, a platform of bank-ready crypto products connected to a globe network of financial institutions. So basically, Metallicus are trying to connect these financial institutions via their crypto blockchain products and provide real-world use case in the process. We're building the compliant bridge between your trusted institution and the on-chain platforms, communities, and experiences you have. Web 2 and basically the connection between the Web 2 and the Web 3 realm is Metallica's the digital banking network. So this is what it is all about. And you saw the team over here, guys. These are some experienced people over here. This is what makes Metallicus and XPR unique, in my opinion. Look at this. Marshall developed the first Facebook Bitcoin wallet. It has worked with numerous uh, projects, including Stellar, and is also a board member of the Dogecoin Foundation. Glenn Marian Glenn has 10 plus years of full stack experience and created Dogechain.info, the first online wallet for Dogecoin. Irina Burkon. Irina is a Forbes featured executive. Don is a former banking executive with 25 plus years of experience. Sayed Jaffrey is a founder of Blocks.io, 7 plus years in the blockchain. Karen McHenry is a product professional with 10 plus years at leading consumer tech organizations. Lee Woolley has more than 2 decades of experience. Maura Wilder, enthusiastic technologist and leader, 20 plus years shipping quality software for crypto, fantasy sports, and fintech. So experienced people all across the board, guys. Even their advisory board, former Federal Reserve Bank of New York leader, former AI consultant for the Federal Reserve Bank of Boston, former deputy controller, former managing counsel at BNY Mellon, former Citigroup chief compliance officer. So, guys, what do you guys think about XPR Network and Metallicus as a whole? Do you think that they are indeed unique? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.